first case, which is goal seek. Under this, we are doing the reverse engineering to get an expected output. Say, if I take an example, say I'm having one principal amount, interest, and years. I'm getting some calculations, say total. It can be anything. I'm saying that I'm totaling the value whatever user is typing in respective locations. You can say amount is 1000. Interest I'm saying is 5%. Here I am saying, see, I know 10 years with me. It give me multiplication as 500. So if somebody asks me, I have to change the total to, let's say 5500, 550 only, and how much change I need in my interest percentage. That's my query. To change the total amount to 550 from 500, what is the change I have to do in my interest? That's a query. So that's my output which I'm expecting, and changing variable or changing against value is my interest. So let's go ahead, goal seek. So here we have to make sure that set value to 550. I have to change it to 550, which is my ask, which is my requirement, by changing this value. So if you do this, goal seek will do reverse calculation and try to match what is the change in interest you have to do to make it 550. So it's saying you have to do 6% as interest if you want to make it 550.